Welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an application for your iPhone as well as your iPad and your Android device called yooSEND. If we open up yooSEND, it's going to log us into our account, which we can then send files and view all the local files that we've been sent. Up in the left-hand corner, if we tap on that button, it's going to slide out the left-hand side menu where we can see our current device and any attached devices that we've added to our account. If we'd like to attach a device, all we have to do is download the application on the device that we're looking to attach, tap on the Attach Device button, and we'll be sent a code to attach our devices here. So come back out into the main menu. We'll go ahead and hide this Dropbox. You see that we have a bunch of different folders here. We have local files, which shows me all the files that are currently on my device that I've been sent. I can scroll through them and view them in this list view. Or I can tap on the button next to the search and actually start sorting them. I can view them by icons. I can even sort them by date they were sent to me, by file name, and also I can do it by sender, so I can sort by who sent me them. Tap here again, I can change it back to my list, and if I was looking for a specific file, I can always tap in the search field and enter in anything to search for. Go ahead and hide the local files. We can come down, we can view our camera roll, which is going to allow us to select files to send, which we'll get to in just a second. And then there is the Dropbox, which you linked up our Dropbox, where we can also send files that are stored in our Dropbox. And then we have our contacts, which shows us all of the contacts that we've got, such as all the devices that we've linked in here, and any contacts that we would have in our address book that we can invite if we would like to. And then we also have our activity down here where we can see our recipients and files to send. So let's go ahead and send a file. I'm going to show you how to send a file here. We're going to go ahead and come into our local files. We'll tap the check mark on the top right hand corner, and now we can tap on any of these files and you see they're highlighting. Up in the top left hand corner you see that my count is currently updating to now I have 5. I'll just go ahead and hide this drawer, and now what I need to do, you see down here in the files to send I have 5 selected. Now I need to come into my contacts and choose my contact that I want to send it to. So for this example, I'm going to send it to my iPad. I'll go ahead and hide that. Now you see I have 1 recipient and I have 5 files. I can also come into my Dropbox. Let's go ahead and look for a photo in here. So we'll come back into the Dropbox. We'll go back up a folder. We'll come into one of my photo folders. And now I'll just select one. And if I tap on it, it allows me to view it. But I have to hit the check mark in the top right hand corner to select files. And now you see I have 2 selected. Come back out to the main menu. And now you see my files to send has been updated to 7. When I'm ready to, go ahead and hit the send button, and it's going to upload the files to yooSEND. So tap here in the progress bar up in the top of the menu, and I can see the progress of all my file transfers. And being that they've already succeeded, now on my other device I just have to download them, and it's going to accept them. And now what I'm going to do is from my other device, send files here to myself. So now I'm going to go ahead and press send on my other device. It's going to upload the files to the yooSEND servers, and then I'm going to get a notification here. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit here for a second while the files are uploading, and once they're done, again, I'll see a notification here on my device, whether I'm in the application or if I was on my home screen or in any other app, it'll be a regular push notification. So here I have my push notification. They want to send me 4 files. I can save it for later if I'm not currently connected to a Wi-Fi network and I'd like to save my data connection. I can save it for later to download when I do connect to Wi-Fi. Or if I tap show, it's going to show me that they want to send me 4 files. It's 10.3 megabytes, and I can either accept or deny. So go ahead and tap accept. We'll hide this pending downloads, and then we'll tap on the progress where we can view the files. And if we tap on a specific file, we can either hold this file for later or we can cancel it. So you see I can cancel or pause, and I'm seeing who it's from and everything there, all the detailed information. So now if I tap on local files, I can go ahead and sort by date, and all the files that I just sent should be here ready for me to view in my local files. So once again, this application is called yooSEND. If you like it, be sure and pick it up in the App Store today.